Guys, we are so happy that you are with us today. Right now we will talk about the CapCut app and I will show you how to activate the zoom effects on this app. So let's go to the settings. First and foremost, we need to open our CapCut app and let's check the video we want to edit. So I need to tap on the camera here, album, videos, and I will set this one as an example, so let's import it. Okay guys, so before I will show you how to add this zoom effect, I will cut my video by dragging this first white line to the right side to make my video shorter. So I will set this started point and this ending point here. And also I want to delete this default black ending because I don't like it. So guys, right now we have our video and let's tap on the video line to go to the animation section here. We have different sections at the top, but we are only interested in the first one. So let's scroll the period menu to stop our choice on the menu zoom, zoom 1, zoom 2, and etc. We have a lot of different ways. So let's start with the first one, and also guys, by dragging the selector to the right or left, we can also correct the duration of our effects adding. So let's set, for example, maximum level, so the whole duration of my video. And we can also check the result after tapping on this play button at the central of the screen. Okay. Let's check another one because this menu zoom is definitely very gentle. So let's tap on the zoom 1. Okay guys, let's check the video without the zoom to compare. So this is without and this is with this effect. Well done guys, so I really very like this option because I can create very cool and fashion videos with this effect, and it's definitely very easy to add. So guys, don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tricks and secrets features of this CapCut app and also others program. So goodbye guys, good luck.